Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. Now, before I go ahead and continue with this gold, I want to let you guys know that we are now offering a 40 days, 40% discount, which will only last for 2 days. I know many of you guys have actually come to my DM telling me you love to join my channel, but you don't really have much money. So I'm literally giving you guys a 40% discount. So instead of paying 20 USD to join our Patreon, you can now pay 12. So basically, this offer is going to last for 2 days. So you just only have 2 days to actually join. After 2 days, if you are not, unfortunately, the promo offer will have to end. So you can actually join. So these are a couple of trades we actually took last week. I mean, to those of you that have not seen it, take a look at it. The BTI, we actually hit our profit target, 100 plus pips. You can take a look at WTI, wonderful trade back to back. You can also see another trade on WTI, wonderful trade back to back. They actually hit our profits, wonderful. So if you would love to join, you have the offer now. Just 2 days. After 2 days, the offer would be expire. So the link to our Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So it is just 12 USD. Now let's see what would be happening on gold. I want you guys to know that gold will actually be dropping soon. But first, gold is literally ranging within this level, right? So with what I'm saying, if eventually gold breaks out of this range, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So you can see it. Gold is literally ranging within this level, right? The resistance, the support level. There are two things gold wants to do right now. Gold wants to push up to a level of 166, right? Before it drops, or gold can eventually drop down. And when it drops, we are very much likely to see that drop to a level of 1941. So anyhow price does, I'm going to give you guys more updates on it on the Patreon channel. So once you join the Patreon channel, you will get updates on gold. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is that we can see that gold is close to this our major resistance level. You can see it at the level of 1966, right? Gold is actually close to a level of 1966. So once it gets to this major resistance level, you are very much likely to start seeing this drop on gold to a level of 1944. At the same time, gold is literally ranging. If gold eventually breaks out of this range, it breaks out of this support, what we would have to do on gold is wait for a correction. Once we get that correction, then you can now go ahead and sell to a level of 1941. Basically, we will be expecting a drop this week on gold. Basically, gold will drop this week. It just depends on when that drop will play out. Is it that gold comes to this major resistance level before it starts giving us that drop? Or we are very much likely to see gold break out of this support level, this 1 hour support level, give us a correction, and a drop downwards. So basically, you need to watch out for a drop. Keep your eyes. Once you only sell once you get a confirmation, by the way. So you would want to take that trade once you get that confirmation. Basically, we will cover more of this trade on the Patreon channel. So if you are interested, you can sign up. The link will be in the comment section.